The AWS Research Cloud Program was created for researchers who want to use the cloud to speed up their time to science. The program provides you a roadmap to understand the journey you're starting, and so that you can navigate quickly and safely to where you want to go and explore the possibilities for AWS in your research, at all times knowing that your data is secure and your budget's safe. Over the next few minutes, we'll give you a short tour of the kinds of resources you'll find when you sign up. Underpinning everything, though, is that it's about the science, not the servers. We know that, like most working scientists, you're a PhD, not a DBA, so we built a program that lets you quickly and securely get into the cloud with a set of tools designed to protect your budget and your data, and then let you access an amazing catalogue of scientific solutions that many of our partners have created on AWS. The first result of this work is a book that we call the Researchers Handbook, but many of our customers are calling the missing manual for research on AWS. The Researchers Handbook is written for scientists, not IT admins, and it explains foundational concepts to get you started in understanding how the AWS Cloud can enable really scalable science. It contains well-documented and straightforward procedures for getting accounts set up, configured, and secured. There's a section on budget management to ensure your research funds are easily managed and safe from overspends. Since security is our #1 priority, the handbook shows you how to establish secure credentials and set up access methods that follow all our best practices to keep your data safe. There's a fast track for getting an invoice-backed account and a discount program for data charges to make budgeting more predictable. Now that you've understood why we believe the cloud is so useful in your research environment and you've followed our best practices for how to get established, we can then get to the question of what can you do in the cloud? More than half of the book is a scientific solutions catalog showing you purpose-built solutions built for scientists that solve problems ranging from spinning up HPC clusters through to research data management for archiving your data, methods and results, and for preserving provenance all the way from an idea through to a published result. These solutions cover the whole gamut of science domains from bioinformatics to fluid dynamics and machine learning, and they're all ready in a few minutes. But before we get to the solutions catalog, we're practical enough to know that sometimes the most mundane tasks can still be problematic. We heard from you that credit cards are difficult to use in research environments due to the complexity of claiming back expenses, so we've enabled a fast track for you to get on invoicing right away. We also heard from you that variable costs due to data movement charges were difficult to predict and budget for, so for those of you who are qualifying public sector research institutions, like universities or government labs, we created a data egress waiver that in most cases completely removes these charges from your bill. But it's not only how you pay for charges that matters. What's more important is that you never pay more than you should. To help you understand your usage, the Cost Explorer is built right into the AWS console. To help you control your usage, we have AWS budgets alongside the Cost Explorer in the console. The Researcher's Handbook shows you how to use both these tools to establish a simple monthly cap. We show you how to set up progress alerts that notify you when you reach sequential milestones under this limit, and we help you configure what we call the budget safety switch, which will stop all of your compute instances if you happen to accidentally reach your cap. We think these two measures should give you the assurance that you need to begin to safely explore the cloud, knowing that not only is your data safe, but your budget too. And as we mentioned, the second half of the Researcher's Handbook is all about what you can do now that you have access to this agile and highly scalable platform. The Scientific Solutions Catalog contains ready-to-run solutions from a large number of our partners, covering a truly broad range of disciplines and problem sets. You'll notice a lot of names you recognize, like MathWorks, the makers of MATLAB, Ulsys Flight, a complete HPC cluster launchable in a few minutes from AWS Marketplace, and contains more than 1,000 scientific codes ready to go right away, and Overleaf, which makes the whole process of producing academic papers so much easier. And of course, there's genomics giants like DNA Nexus, 7 Bridges, and Illumina. All these benefits and tools are available to members of the AWS Research Cloud, and what began in Europe is now available all over the world. To sign up, go to the programs portal at aws.amazon.com/RCP. Scroll down to the enrollment form to join the program by filling in your details. It's important to make sure you use your academic or institutional email address, because some of the benefits of the program, like the egress waiver, are only available to accredited universities or government research labs in some countries, and we'd hate you to miss out. When you finish filling in the form, click Submit and you'll receive a link to download the handbook. You can now save the handbook to your desktop or your favorite mobile device and start discovering what's available in the cloud that can accelerate your time to science. You'll also be part of a community that helps us continuously improve our services and helps our partners grow the solutions that are important to you. We look forward to seeing you there.